Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clear transcript or ensuring fast, noise-reduced audio so automatic alignment works. Once done, load the video into your subtitle editor and import the transcript. This anchors text to the timeline. Make sure to choose SRT or VTT depending on delivery needs, and set language and reading speed preferences. From here, you'll generate initial cue points automatically. Then review the first 10-20 seconds to confirm timing and line breaks, so viewers can read comfortably. Now refine. That means trimming and moving cue boundaries so text matches lip movement and audio beats. Use frame or millisecond nudges rather than large jumps. Small shifts prevent popping subtitles. Once you correct timing, fix line breaks to respect reading speed and avoid more than 2 lines on screen. Make sure to add speaker labels and punctuation for clarity and normalize casing. After several passes, play the full video at normal speed and listen for drift or overlapping cues. Finally, export the subtitle file in the chosen format and test it in at least 2 players to confirm compatibility and encoding. If delivery requires embedded text, burn subtitles into the video with approved font, size, and safe area margins. Once exported, run a final quality check on different devices. If you see persistent sync problems, make sure the video's frame rate matches the subtitle tool, or retranscribe noisy sections. Retiming is faster when you fix the source transcript.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.